Today we're here to talk about how you put on the Breg Polar Wave pads. By the end of this video, you're going to learn the application process for the body part that you need to use the wave pads on. So let's jump right into it and learn how to use these pads. Once you get your pad in the mail, either if you ordered it separately or with your wave cooler, a couple things you want to do right from the start. There's a sticker on the front, and this is going to tell you the exact pad that you ordered. In this case, this is the universal pad for the wave. The part number is C00016. Now we're going to show you how to put on the universal pad. Just a quick reminder, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving us a like. It's a simple, free way to support us and help us create content for you. Now let's get back to the video.
This is the universal pad for the Breg Polar Care Wave system. This would be a good option if you were a petite person and maybe the regular shoulder pad might be too big for you. So before you put the pad on, if you'll notice, we already have our straps in place. And typically you're going to put the pad on with the hose down, and you're going to want to put the straps on the same side as whatever shoulder you're treating. Also, before you connect your hoses, please note that on the hoses there are some Breg symbols. You're going to need to match those symbols up before you connect them, and that ensures that they are facing the correct way. Now, my prop here has not actually had shoulder surgery, so he's moving a little more than someone would be if they had shoulder surgery.
But I'm not moving now, so...
So now that we have our straps in place, we're going to start by putting it on the shoulder, and you're going to bring around the long strap first. Connected to the shoulder, then the smaller one comes under the arm and connects around up front. And also you can go ahead and adjust it to make it tighter or looser depending on your need. Once you have it securely in place, you're going to take your hose from the pad and connect it to the hose from the cooler. As you'll notice, we have our Breg symbols matched up. When you hear that click, that lets you know it's secure. Then you're ready to plug in your power supply and begin your therapy.
Now that you know how to put on your Breg Polar Wave pads, click on our next video up here in the corner, and it's going to show you the unboxing of the Breg Polar Wave. Now let's get back in motion.